Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we are taking a closer look at the Casio W201 new color variant 1BV. I'm not sure of the exact original release year, but this model has been around for more than 10 years, with one blog mentioning having the original color variant from 2009. If you have any information, please let us know. Thank you. This Casio W201 has a simple yet stylish design, featuring a mix of black, gray, white, and orange colors that look great together, with large digits that are easy to read. Looking from the design, it's more of a unisex watch. This watch is slim and lightweight, measuring just 10mm thick and weighing only 25 grams. It's comfortable to wear, but the bands might look a bit tiny on a 7-inch wrist like mine. The case size is 40.4mm lug-to-lug by 36mm wide. The Casio W201 is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it almost anywhere except for snorkeling and diving. It also has an impressive battery life of around 10 years with a CR2016 battery. The case looks nice with a two-line pattern that goes all the way with the bands. As usual, it is made from resin. The case design has no protruding front to protect the crystal, but the sides have the button guard design. It prevents accidental presses but also makes the buttons a bit hard to operate. The watch has 4 rounded plastic buttons, the adjust button and mode button on the left, and the light button and start button on the right. They are recessed, which looks sleek but can be hard to press. On the back side, we can find the stainless steel backplate secured with 4 screws. The bands are made of polyurethane resin and they are flexible and light. The bands pattern is somewhat simple. It has an 18mm spring bar, making it easy to find replacements. And the lock connection is free but snug fitting. The display is large and easy to read, with good legibility in daylight and room lighting. It's still quite usable in lower light due to the size of the digits, although I'm sure that the positive display version will perform far better. The upper part shows the day, month, and date, and then the lower part shows the hour, minute, and second. There's also a graph as visualization of the seconds. The backlight is an LED with an amber color on the left side of the display. It's not too bright, likely to conserve the battery power, but it does the job. The Casio W201 has several modes, including timekeeping, alarm, stopwatch, and dual time. What's missing to me is the countdown timer. So let's start looking at the modes one by one. First, the regular timekeeping mode that shows the day, date, and time. And as usual, it also supports 12 and 24-hour formats. And again, I like the large digits, it helps to easily read the time. The next mode is the alarm. This model has only one daily alarm and an hourly time signal, similar to most basic Casio models. And then there's the stopwatch with details of 100th of a second on the top display, and it measures up to 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59.99 seconds. You can use it to measure elapsed time and also split time. And the last one is the dual time mode. The top line shows the current time and the main display shows the dual time, making it easy to keep track of time in different time zones. The menu and operation is as usual, nothing difficult, but setting the watch can be a bit tricky due to the recessed buttons. It might take some time to get used to positioning your finger from the back side of the watch. Speaking of comfort, this Casio W201 is very light and comfortable to wear and has a good legibility in daylight. As of now, the new one with the negative display is priced around $17 while the positive display is around $20. Overall, it's still a very good price. Okay, let's continue with the summary of the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has sleek styling, it is lightweight, slim and comfortable, it has water resistant up to 50 meters, it has long battery life, it has variety of functions, and it has large digits and also affordable. On the other side, here are the things to consider. The buttons are hidden, quite difficult to press. And then for the negative display version, there's visibility issues in low light conditions. And then the pen durability and size might be a concern. It has limited alarm features. It has no countdown timer. And also it uses resin crystal, so it's not scratch resistant. Overall, the Casio W201 is a fantastic budget-friendly watch with a lot to offer. It's durable, lightweight, and stylish with a long battery life. While it has some drawbacks, such as hard-to-press buttons and limited alarm features, it's still a great choice for everyday wear. It will also slide easily under long sleeves. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sam's Watch Review for more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and budget watch related content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.